Samantha Oakes. I'm 29. I don't ride my bike for a living. I'm a cancer researcher. Learning about the body is fantastic. Seeing cells under the microscope is really exciting. Looking at the genetic profile of a cancer. Maybe this gene's important in cancer. That's pretty exciting. And when you get a discovery like that, it's pretty cool. When I first started science, I thought I would be a salesman. I've removed tumours from an animal, and what I'm trying to look for is if those tumours have actually grown slower. My object is to try and solve, or at least find out, why cancer forms in the human breast, and at least find out how it does so we can find ways to try and prevent disease spread in humans. So here I am in the lab working with mice, and I love it. It's really, really good, especially when you get a great result. I'm going to be staining these sections using our staining methods downstairs. I'll look at them under the microscope. I'll see if there's anything going on in those sections and keep working until I find something interesting. I'm working on breast cancer at the moment, majored in anatomy at uni. So what I realised is it wasn't so much what I was working on, it was the discovery process that I was interested in, and that's why I'm here. I looked for jobs in the paper and I looked for anything to do with research. I saw the Garvan Institute and I thought, wonderful, they're pretty good. And I ended up getting a job in breast cancer. I started out as a research assistant for 2 years, and now I'm doing my PhD. I'm in my 3rd year of my PhD, and I hope to continue this as a career. I think a lot of people around this area, especially scientists, if you're interested in science, you're interested in the discovery, you'll find that a lot of people around here are very diverse. And so, therefore, being a scientist, I like to be diverse as well, and I love my sport. I love keeping fit. Footy's similar to cancer because cancer is when cells actually start to misbehave and just go all over the place and just want to grow uncontrollably. Touch football's just like that, as you can see. It is challenging, it's a challenging job, but that's what makes it interesting as well, and that's what draws you to it, because the challenge is what makes you get up in the morning and go to work. Well, I like to think that I do make a difference. I'd like to think that if I work for 5 years, for example, on my current work, I make some sort of impact on finding out why cancer progresses in the human body. At least 60 animals here that I've transplanted, and these are the tumours that are formed every single day. It's a lot of mice. It's a lot of mice, and it's a lot of work. We've got wonderful people, incredibly intelligent people around here that collaborate together to try and work on a common goal. If you want to discover something, then we have the tools to do it, and that makes it very, very easy to work here. The more I move down this path of science, the more I realise I want to run my own lab someday. I think if you're keen and you like science, I think anyone can do it. For my personal goals in life, I think I've chosen the most perfect career that I want to follow.